In 2013, Atticus Family Law was hired to represent the husband-father in a Maple Grove divorce with children. Let's call him Cameron. The parties had been married for 13 years and had 3 wonderful children. Cameron was the owner of a small business that, while successful, nevertheless required daily attention to keep its customers happy and to be able to provide for the family. His wife, Ashley, on the other hand, was not employed full-time, no longer interested in being married, and in many regards did not know what she wanted. While she had moved out of the home, the separation still had a lot in the balance. Our client had a lot to juggle. As the only parent at home with them, Cameron had to care for the children and make sure that all their daily needs were being met, while also needing to manage the business actively. He had to make their income go even further, as his wife's independent living expenses exceeded the money she earned. There was consistent conflict trying to make joint decisions with Ashley as to when she would see the children and her financial needs. Not knowing what she wanted, Ashley would oscillate between positions and contradict herself. Cameron tried earnestly to breathe new life into the marriage. Ultimately, he called it. At that point, Cameron retained our services, and we served her with divorce papers. Ashley initially had retained an attorney who was productive. Then she stopped paying him, and all momentum was lost. She then failed to show up for the initial hearing. It was rescheduled with the judge's warning that her absence would result in a default divorce. While Ashley showed for the next hearing, there was more start and stop by her as her life was chaos. Ultimately, the court ordered a moderated settlement conference with a moderator who was a former judge. After a long day, we were able to negotiate a global settlement. And because we used a binding agreement, Ashley could not back out of it if she continued to oscillate and change her mind. We secured for Cameron sole physical custody of the children with an opportunity for Ashley to see the children if she was stable. The agreement provided limited support for her with a clear end date, and it swiftly addressed the division of property and debt so that the parties' lives could be fully dissected. I had the fortune of talking with Cameron recently. The kids are happy and well-adjusted. They see their mom on occasion. Otherwise, the stress, anxiety, chaos, and friction that was their lives prior to and during the divorce has been over for years. These are the types of outcomes that we like to create. Atticus Family Law. This is where things get better, guaranteed.